Do you want to know how to cook fried rice with egg using the Robosouschef Cheetah? It's as easy as a click. Simply fill the tray compartments A, B, C, and D, and place it in the machine. Now, click the magical Start Cooking button and watch the Robosouschef Cheetah work its magic. You can see the cooking time on the screen. The machine will automatically cook for you by adding each ingredient at the perfect time, delivering consistent taste every time. Within the given time, your meal will be ready. Now, serve it and enjoy your delicious fried rice with egg. Robosouschef Cheetah offers efficient and effortless cooking.